Hey guys, happy December 1st, and it is the day I finally get to open my 25 days of Manny Magic. My husband got me this as an early Christmas gift, and I'm so pumped to see what's in number one here. Ooh, and the first one is a gorgeous like holiday glitter called Tangled Lights. Oh, this is so pretty. This looks absolutely packed with glitter. Really cute. That's just one coat. I'll get the second coat on here. And there it is with the top coat. I actually think it has a little bit of like a black tint to it. That's kind of cool. Ooh, what is this? A little handle? It's too big for this. Okay, it fits the ASP polishes. This one's okay. I don't know if I'd really use this or if I'm even using it right. Yeah, it doesn't really come with any sort of explanation. So you can pop off the cap of the mini. Okay, let's try it. Oh, okay. That works. Huh. Ooh, this is... oh, just a little nail file. Okay. It's a very nice little tiny size. I'll show you next to my full-sized nail file. Cute. So day 4 is suspiciously polish shaped. So let's see what's in here today. Oops. Super glossy top coat. 7 free. You know, I actually really need a top coat, so this is perfect. I have that swatch from that first day still here, so I'm just going to put some of this on top of that. So even though I have a nail art channel, believe it or not, I do not really own a good top coat. The only nail polish top coat I have is actually one I got in like a drugstore. So this is perfect. It looks super, super duper shiny compared to the drugstore brand. I also love how this is so shiny. I really hope that there's a base coat somewhere in here to match. That'd be so cute. Day 5. Nice, a acetone-free nail polish remover. Sweet. This is gel polish, so I'm not going to try this out, but this looks super easy. This is a smaller little one. And looks like a cute little buffing block. Not really a super big one, but not all of these can be polishes. So today we have another maybe polish-shaped one. Oh, we got another polish. Blitzen, a 5 milliliter bottle. The glitter is 6.5 milliliters. And then the top coat that we got is also 6.5. So this one's just a tiny, tiny little bit smaller. I actually prefer the smaller bottles of nail polish because I don't go through them that quickly. The brush is really nice. Yeah, that is only one coat. And it's supposed to be quick dry. Dries in seconds, it says. Well, it's still tacky. All right, second coat in a pretty thin layer. Really like that application. And there it is with the top coat. I think it's super cute. These all kind of look like they could be nail polish sized. So let's see what we got. It's got a gold bottle. It says quick dry. So this is another top coat, but this one is a quick dry version. Cute. The quick dry version is 5 milliliters and the normal one is 6.5 milliliters. Quick dry top coat for day 8. I was just complaining about how I do not have enough top coat, so pretty perfect. Day 9, let's see what's in here. It's kind of an odd shaped one today. Day 9 is something. Something in a bag. A stamper of some sort? I don't know, I'm gonna be honest guys, I have no idea what this is. So, yeah, weird one today. This is a big one. It's an entire set of press-ons. Nice, I did not even know that Olive&June made press-ons. This is pretty cool. We get another little buffer on one side and file on the other. Instructions, it's the prep, sticky pads, and nails. Wow. And these have the cutest tiny little gingerbread men on them. Ignore my broken nail, but I have size 0 thumbs. I think there's some bigger ones in here. I think that would probably actually work for me. And they have, I can see a super tiny, tiny one in there too. That is such a small nail. Whoever put this kit together, I'm really surprised. A lot of the stuff in here has been like really nice quality, like really thought out. So I'm happy with this so far. I'm excited to see what the rest of the days are. We have a square box today. It's stickers. Cute. It is glued in there. I think there's only 6 little stickers in there. They are so cute and tiny. These would be like the perfect little finishing touch to like a nude mani. Another polish. All right, so this one is called Fiddle Fig. It is a darker green, perfect for the holidays. And I cannot get this cap off. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Fiddle Fig. You can kind of see the color anyway. I don't know if I need to swatch it. Cuticle serum with cactus flower. Can never have enough cuticle oil. So this is perfect. I'm used to the ones with a little brush. This has like a little foam thing on there. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It's interesting. It's kind of a little like foamy. So let's check out day 14. Another maybe polish. Let's check this out. Ooh, yeah. It's got like a red maroon shimmer to it. Looks super pretty in the bottle. It's not the most opaque polish, but I think that's because it's got some glitter in it. But yeah, I think it's super pretty. Day 15 already. We are 2/3 of the way through. Nice. So this looks like the exact same pack of stickers, just a couple more of them. So I accidentally looked at this already. I didn't realize that I wasn't recording. So I'm going to try and act surprised when I open this. This is a really long one. I thought it might have been a brush, but when I opened this up, it was actually a hand serum. Hand serum with cactus flower. And a couple days ago, we got the cuticle serum with cactus flower. So this is a nice little package here together. But yeah, there's day 16. Not exactly what I was expecting to come out of this shape of package, but pretty cool. Probably very hard to see on this color, but this is a quick dry, another 5 milliliter polish. So that color is called Fresh Water, because I don't want to wait for this to dry. I'm going to do a little trick and just paint the bottom of the swatch as well to get our 2 coats look in here. Such a pretty pearlescent. Here's all the color polishes that I got in this kit so far. Yeah, they've done a pretty good job getting a nice variety of colors and options and stickers and things. This is a kind of weirdly long one. And another little file. Yeah, this one's definitely gonna go in my purse. Cute, nice little size. So I am terrible and I forgot to hit record for the second time now. So I'm also gonna act surprised when I open this one. Day 19 here, it is a square and it's some cute little heart stickers, again glued down. 6 little heart stickers here. I think this is just pretty perfect because I'm not going to use a million Christmas nail supplies in the next 4 days, and Valentine's Day is coming up, so I think these are perfect for that. Here's what they look like up close. We've got another little square box here today. The squares have historically been stickers, so let's check out what's in here. And more stickers, just like I thought. Ooh, these are real stuck. All right. They have enough glue on these for sure. Oh, these are so cute. They're winter themed. We have another polish-ish shaped one, and I don't know, I feel like this kit has been like super generous. I can't say generous. This kit has been like super generous with the polishes, I feel like. I have 7 polishes, including 2 top coats so far, but maybe we've got some more today, so let's check it out. Oh, I don't think that this is a polish. It is a nail strengthener. And this is 6.5 milliliters. Interesting. It smells and looks kind of a lot like the primer that I use for my gel polish. And it's got a kind of short little brush like a primer. Let me show you. All right, so that was day 21. We have 22, 23, 24, 25. We have 4 days left. Ooh. Oh man, I love pink. And this one is called XOXO. I kind of love that we've gotten a few like maybe Valentine's themed stuff in here. Oh, and this is a 6.5 milliliter color. That is one coat. And there that is. I don't know how well the camera is picking it up, but it is a very like, it's kind of a darker pink, but it is very vibrant, very bright, very pretty. This is dry drops. Oh, I know what these are. I've got some of these from OPI before. After top coat, you put these on. It's supposed to make your nail polish dry a little bit faster. I have more press-ons, and they are glued in. You guys, Olive&June, you guys need to chill with the glue tabs. We have some emerald green press-ons. And the same thing that I saw with the other press-ons, they really have a huge variety of sizes for these. And it looks like this one comes with glue as well. The other one was just sticky tabs. Yeah, nice. All right, that is day 24 of this kit. We have only one day left, and we've gotten so many good goodies in this kit. Let me remind you guys everything we got. A couple of press-ons. We got a million bottles of nail polish drying drops, cuticle oil and serum files. We got a million stickers. We got nail polish remover, handle goodies, and this thing, buffer. So I'm really happy with this. There was such a wide range of really cool goodies, and we are on the final day. So I'm so excited to see what's in here. It looks like another polish, and we're gonna find that out. Let me clean all this up and we'll open this. This is a glitter top coat. It is so pretty. This is a 15 free effect top coat, the Sparkle Fairy. So I'm gonna swatch this on some clear and then on a couple of the other colors. This one's already got some glitter in it, but I think it's gonna look so cool. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Yeah, there could not have been a more perfect polish to end this kit with. But yeah, that is the kit. If you like this series, make sure you leave me a like. I want to do more fun stuff like this in the future, so if you guys have any ideas, let me know. And yeah, this was not sponsored at all. This was a kit I got from my husband. So if you like my content and you want to support my channel, leaving a like, leaving a comment really helps out. And as always, make sure you subscribe. I really like to check out new nail products, try some random things. So if you like that kind of stuff, subscribe, stick around. I hope you guys have a really Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I will see you around. Thanks for watching.